to do all of them.
Awesome.
Let's go. Delete this. Delete that one.
Okay.
I just did.
Why don't you take a shot so Nana can see the basketball hoop?
Okay. If I don't get it, just delete it, okay?
Okay.
Delete.
Alright.
Delete.
Awesome. Alright, we'll show her that one.
I'll do all of my tricks. Know which one's my best one? This one.
Oh, that was cool.
That's my best one.
So, what shirt are you wearing? Why are you wearing that shirt?
It's not a shirt, it's a vest.
Well, why are you wearing that vest?
It just makes me cool and warm at the same time.
Oh, very cool. Good trick, sir. Alright, say bye to Nana. Say thank you.
Bye, Nana! Now I want to show her my other tricks.
Okay, well hurry up.
Hi, Nana. These are my other tricks. Delete that one.
Okay. Oh, nice shot.
1 second.
Baja, come here. Alright, it's time to stop, sweetie.
Excuse me?
Time to stop. Say bye. Anything else you have to say to Nana?
Just one more shot.
Oh, that was a great one to end on.
Bye, Nana. See you later. With basketball.